Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic for UPSC exam is RBI functions. So let's see what are the functions that RBI performed. So the RBI performed the currency printing, currency circulation, bankers of bank, government bank, lender of last resort, custodian of forex, and it also maintains the price stability. So let's see one by one how it performs. So the currency printing currencies. So 200 rupee, 2 rupees to 2000 rupees were printed by RBI and it is signed by RBI governor. 1 rupees note is printed by Government of India but signed by Finance Secretary. So all coins printed by Government of India but signed by nobody, because you have seen that in coins there are no signs. So the second one is currency circulation, how it circulate. So 1 rupees note which are printed by Government of India will go to RBI only. All the coins which are printed by Government of India also go to RBI only. The 2 rupees to 2000 rupees which is printed by RBI is with only RBI only. So RBI then sent to all this money banks, then banks sent to customers, bank plus customers called as market. This is how the currency circulate. So bankers of bank. See, let's see one example. So RBI and SBI bank. So RBI give loans to SBI and also SBI deposit his money with the RBI only. But in RBI the account holder name comes as SBI only. So this is how the RBI perform its function like a bank only. That's why it is called as a bankers of bank. In RBI there is government bank account also, government bank.